Ah, the joys of cooking. Until the smoke alarm goes off. Ah, time for bed after a long day of activities and work. Until the smoke alarm goes off again. Relatable? What if we told you that there's a way to turn your normal smoke alarm into a smart alarm? No more false alarms while cooking, no more sleepless nights. With Unijem, you can easily hush your smoke alarm and monitor its battery life from the app on your phone. No more taking the battery out just to get some peace and quiet. What's more, you'll be notified the moment your smoke alarm goes off wherever you are. Hey, what are you doing? Is everything okay? The smoke alarm notification went off on my phone.
All good here. I was trying to be Gordon Ramsay and cook you something nice as a surprise, but I burnt it.
Simply remove the existing battery from your smoke alarm, download the app from any app store, register an account, connect the battery to your Wi-Fi and place the battery in the smoke alarm. Finally, enjoy a peaceful life with the Unijem Smart Smoke Alarm Battery.